Hey there, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I have a yummy, delicious butternut squash soup. But usually when we have butternut squash, we have to cook it for about 45 minutes. And I don't want you to have to do all the chopping, all the cooking. I'm going to give you a delightful, easy way to make this. So I've been simmering the onions and the garlic. But again, quick, easy, fast, and fun is the name of the game, right? So I bought already diced onions from Whole Foods in this little pack. I bought organic garlic, peeled already. They come in little packages, so they're very convenient. They don't go bad really fast. And they've been simmering in this pan. I wish you were here. They taste and smell so good. So to this, I bought butternut squash, already frozen, already chopped. All you have to do, watch how easy this is. Goes in the pan like that. Butternut squash, boom, bam. 2 packages, and these are organic, and they're 16 ounce. So 2 packages of those. And I add to that, to make it a little bit sweeter, some sweet potatoes. This is an organic sweet potato. I got these at Whole Foods. You throw everything in, making sure they're organic, of course. Very, very important. I stir all of this up, and I just let it sit and simmer for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add some salt to it. This is a pink Himalayan salt. It's from Trader Joe's. I totally love it. And it's kind of fun because you have to grind it so you know you're getting really, really fresh, yummy salt. And I'm not measuring, but you need to salt this just to your taste. This is cumin, and I buy my spices in these cute little packs. Then I'm not using my spices forever. I know they're fresh. I know they're delicious. So I'm going to put a little cumin in. And then I'm going to add a little basil. Again, I'm just adding that. I'm going to let this simmer, and then I'm going to blend it up in my Vitamix. But you could do it in any high-speed blender that you have. So I'm just going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. And when we come back, we are going to have delicious, amazing butternut squash soup in 15 minutes. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, we're back. So this is the butternut squash, some yams, garlic, some onion, cumin and basil, and a little salt. That's all I've got in here. I transferred part of the contents because I wanted to show you how easy this is into my Vitamix. I'm going to pour some vegetable broth. This is a Pacific vegetable broth. It's very organic. It doesn't have any sugars or fillers in it. I'm going to blend this up in my Vitamix. So 1, 2, 3. So I blended that for about 30 seconds. I'm going to pull the lid off and pour it into a little ramekin. The nice thing is the Vitamix heats it up, so I don't need to put it back in the pan. I put some toasted pumpkin seeds. These I made earlier, and they're so easy to make. I have a little tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. I put the pumpkin seeds, raw pumpkin seeds, in a little pan, put the soy sauce with it, cook it up for about 20 minutes, and it's done. And just like that, I've got yummy, delicious butternut squash soup. What else can you make that's fast and easy and fun and helps to balance your insulin levels? Enjoy this recipe and stay tuned for more. If you like this, subscribe to my channel at catherinechess.com. Thank you.